Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can insert a SIM card at the iPhone XS. So first of all, we need next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box, and in between the instructions we will find a card which one have the pin below here. So you need that card and just fold it to remove the pin. Otherwise you could use also the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side the SIM tray. And there's a small hole in here, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip, you enter that hole and press a bit. Sometimes it goes a bit harder, so press a bit stronger, and then it will allow you to take the SIM tray out of the phone. Looks like this. And now place your SIM card. And now place your SIM card like this. So missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. Okay, and let's construction you put back into the phone. Like this. And it's done. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.